So here is another question related to the don't care condition, POS 3 variable K-map. So we have the expression given in terms of the max term values. So the values are 3, 5, 6 and the don't care values are 2 and 4. So we'll mark the respective cells. So 3, 5, 6, then 2 and 4, the don't care cells. So here we'll form the groups. So here involving 2 and 6 we can form a pair. Again 2 and 3 we can form a pair, and 4 and 5 we can form a pair. Here also, if you notice, the X marked cells, they are helping in forming a high priority group along with the 0 marked cells. Okay, they are assisting in group formations, the X marked cells, but it is not necessary to cover all the X marked cells. Okay, like if there would have been an X marked cell here, then we would have simply left it behind. Okay, no need to form a group, a pair to accommodate this X marked cell. But the X marked cells combined with the zeros or ones, they can assist in group formation. So now we have to identify the common variables. So for this pair involving cells 4 and 5, in the horizontal side we have A bar common, in the vertical side we have B common. So A bar or B. For this pair involving cells 2 and 3, in the horizontal side we have A common, in the vertical side we have B bar common. So A or B bar. And for this pair involving cells 2 and 6, there is nothing common in the horizontal side, the vertical side we have B bar or C common. So this is the simplified Boolean expression. Okay. So here we have another question on don't care condition, 3 variable POS K-map. So we have the POS expression given in terms of the max term values, which are 1, 3, 4, 6 and the don't care values are 5 and 7. So we'll mark the respective cells first. So 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay, then the don't care values, this. So now we have to form the groups. So first, one group which we can form here is involving cells 1, 3, 5, 7. We can form a quad. Then another quad involving cells 0, 5, 7, 6. Okay, so here the common variables we have to identify. So for this quad here, there is nothing common in the horizontal side involving cells 1, 3, 5, 7. There is nothing common. In the vertical side we have C bar common. Okay, so C bar will be there. And then for this quad here, in the horizontal side we have A bar common, nothing common in the vertical side. So it is A bar. This is the simplified Boolean expression. Okay.